Senate Scholz II. The Senate Scholz II Senate Scholz II is the government of the German city-state of Hamburg since 15 April 2015. The cabinet is again headed by Mayor Olaf Scholz and was formed by the Social Democratic Party, who lost their overall majority in the last state elections, along with Alliance 90/the Greens. On 15 April 2015, Scholz was elected and sworn in as mayor by the State Assembly. Afterwards, he appointed the senators and had them confirmed by the Assembly. Cabinet members hold the office of senators and heads of their respective agency, except denoted otherwise. Katharina Fegebank became acting head of the government on 13 March 2018, after Olaf Scholz retired. Scholz was succeeded by Peter Tschentscher on 28 March 2018, who formed the new state government. The Senate